Hi, today I'm just going to show you how to solve pocket Rubik cubes, 2x by 2. Uh, I'm just going to give you quick instructions. There's no middle edge, right? Only corners. Same like 3x3 cubics. First of all, you have to make white, right? You have to take all the whites on top. Don't worry, any color doesn't match, don't worry, just make a white top. Okay, just we'll do that one. Okay, okay, now we made a white top. Now you can see we made a white top, red, right? If it's red, then we have to connect orange and blue this side. Then we can take this orange blue on this side. Okay, bring it orange and blue, red. Then we'd find out green and orange, right? Okay, see, now we have to connect all the colors: blue, red, green and white top. Okay, now we are going to make it on the top layer, right? We have to keep the white layer down, right? You can see we want to make this layer, last one. Don't worry, it's the same turn, always you have to do it. First of all, we have to match these corners. Okay, right, follow this corner, right? This is a white and down, right? We can check which corner is connect. No, all right. Okay, now you can see, right? Okay, we'll do that, right? The white, top white, go down, again top white, go down, top white, and go down and go down, right? Now we can check any corners matched. There's no corner, anything matched now. Still you have to do same way, right? Okay, now we check any corners match. Still not, right? Again, same way, right? Okay. Yeah, this one is matched. Now you can check if anything matched. This one matched, this one matched, right? This one is not matched because blue comes on this side. Okay, again same turn. Nope, again. Okay, now you can see blue, yellow, orange, right? Same like that. Red, blue, right? Yellow. Now we have to turn upside down this side. Now we have to make a same move, right? Right? Now we have to turn under layer. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.